Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix that problem or your problem you have on your settings app. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here, and this is window, and you just go down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps window, and you just go down here to looking for YouTube app here, and this is window. We go down to found YouTube app, and we will just keep going. We will click here on YouTube, then we come to next window here like you say, and you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your YouTube app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do, and it's going to work with you. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all YouTube settings.